Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about human in loop and document extraction in Power Automate. So let's get started. Document automation is a combination of robotic process automation and artificial intelligence to help you extract and interpret data from structured and unstructured documents to automate your document workflow. So here Microsoft has given a diagram which I am using it. So how it works, so the customer receives the document in their inbox or it can be anyone, right? Anyone's inbox. Then extract the document information from the document, then validate. Here the human in loop comes because the AI may not be 100% accurate. So it will refer to the human to validate it. And once it is done, once it is correctly extracted, it will be exported and then you can supervise and monitor. Okay, so so this is the link to set up the document automation. So this is a solution package which you need to install in your environment, Power Automate, which will once installed, it will have set up what Power Automate flows, a Power App, Canvas app, okay, and some database data. It is also called the document automation base kit. Okay, so once you install, you have to configure it. So you need to create some users for manual and so on. So this is the screenshot of that application where you where the configuration tab is provided for configuring your models, model which model you want to use. Okay, and once the document is processed or it is partially processed, it will show over here. Okay, there are various drop downs which will show you the demo. So this is the configuration tab that I was mentioning. So here you can configure whichever AI model you have built. So if you have built five models, custom models, pre-built models, it will show up over here. Okay. So these are some of the frequently asked questions. How many suppliers can I manage with this solution? So you can train up to 100 different layouts, document layouts in a single model. Okay. So what to do when the document is correctly extracted? The data extracted can be reviewed and edited in the validation application to manually fix any extraction errors. So here the human in loop comes into picture. Okay. And these are some of the details of the pricing. Okay. Um, so let's see. Open that page. Okay. Let's see. So here, so this is the link which I was talking about. So you have to go to this link. Okay, and follow all the steps. So here it has explained all the parts. Okay, what is document automation? Okay, so where the event loop comes into picture. So you have to follow all these steps, read this documentation. Okay, and then you have to configure it how to use document automation. So if to use the solution, you need these following licenses. Okay, now you have to install the document automation base kit. So you have to go to your environment, Power Automate environment, and then you have to install it. Okay. So here, yeah, here it is showing the install this. Okay, go to Power Automate, navigate to AI Hub. Okay, select document automation. Okay, once you select it, you have to install it. It will take around 10 minutes to install. Once it is installed, you have to go back to the solution tab, Power Automate. Here, Okay, after installation, you come over here to solutions page. Okay, so here you will see this solution. Okay, you open it. Here you see many Canvas apps and Power Automate. So mostly we will use this one. Okay, document automation application. This is a Canvas app, and this is a email. This is for sending. This is for your invoice, which is sent over email. Okay, which will be automatically where the attachment will be automatically extracted like the invoice PDF, and then it will be sent to the AI model for processing. And you can see the user can go and see the processing in the this canvas app, this here. So here first you have to configure the model. Okay, so you have to configure the model which I've already built. So I've already built these models. This is a custom model which I built, and you have to select this model. You have to do this field mapping of with your invoice PDF. So currently I have this invoice PDF. So this is my PDF, invoice date, invoice number, and so on. Okay. So I have created a custom model to read all this invoice. Even there is a pre-built model which you can use it because these are already trained by Microsoft AI model. Okay, so this is field mapping. And once you are if there is any table in the PDF, you can configure the table over here. Okay, and click on save. Okay. Then in this model, then in this you have to open this email importer flow. Okay, so this is the email importer. This is the flow when a new email arrives. It will all do all the work for you. Okay, for each company. The code is already there. You can have a look. Okay. And once for testing purpose, you can send an email to your inbox, and if you start processing, and if it is once it is processed or it is in progress, you can see this. So this is my file name, right? addm6.pdf. So it is shown over here. So let's see whether there is any issue or not. So yeah, so there is some issue. It is saying that this ID and vendor address it couldn't find because the mapping was not correct. Okay, so you can manually say okay, like ID is 5791. Okay, the vendor address you can say like 234. And what is the vendor address? 234 France, right? So you can mention whatever is that in that PDF. I'm not writing completely. Okay, then you go to next. Okay. Then validate. So it has come to manual review. Okay, so you can just say 5791, and then again you can say it is 224. But try to build your model which I will accurately capture it. So there is no requirement for manual intervention here, or the AI builder is quite sufficient. Extract all these fields. Okay, and click on validate. So it is done, right? It is validated correctly. Once that is done, you will see it has processed completely. And you will see a mail also. It has been processed. Currently, my this inbox is not allowing mail from itself. So there is some firewall which is blocking it. So I'm not able to show you the completion mail. Okay, so this ID is not allowing self email. Sending mail from the same email from this ID is not allowed. That's why we are not getting this email. Okay, but once it is done, you will get a completion. So this is how the emailing loop works. Okay, so you can configure from here and then start using it as I mentioned. Okay, so this is quite complicated, but once you understand, it is very easy. Okay, first time it will take some time, it will take some effort and time for you, but after that it will be easy. Okay, so I hope you have found this tutorial useful. So thank you so much for listening to this video, to this tutorial. So please do subscribe to my channel and post your comments and suggestions. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.